I've got my hands on the new zero clearance throat plate insert for the Evolution Rage 5S. I'm going to be installing it today. I'm going to show you some of the features, and stay tuned because I've got a special discount code for you if you want to buy one for yourself. What's up woodworkers, Ben here, and for those of you who've seen my videos before, you'll know that I've been using the Evolution Rage 5S table saw for a few years now. I'll be doing an in-depth review on it at some point soon, but today is all about probably the worst feature on the saw, until now. And that's the throat plate insert. For years it's been common knowledge among owners of the saw that although it's amazing for the price, the throat plate really lets it down due to being too flimsy when cutting pieces that are narrower than the throat plate. And this can cause issues due to the flex it gives, leaving your cuts less than perfect. In the past, I've seen various people making their own versions to try to counteract the problem, from 3D printed ones through to homemade ones like this that I made using plywood. Finally, the guys at Evolution have created their own fix to the problem by creating an official zero clearance throat plate. So what's so special about this one from Evolution? Well, firstly, it's made out of aluminium, which means it's far less likely to break than a plastic or a wood one. Secondly, it's actually made and supplied by Evolution and therefore complies with the warranty, which is a bonus. Thirdly, the clever design means that you can pop out the plastic bit in the middle and replace it should you ever want to do a different one for miter cuts and that kind of thing. Installation is pretty simple. All you do is remove your old one and pop the new one in. You'll see it's got this pre-cut slot at the back that allows for the riving knife already, so you don't need to worry about that. The idea now being that you just turn on your saw and slowly raise the blade. So here goes. Well, that was easy enough. It's definitely worth raising your blade nice and slowly to make sure that you don't overdo it, but the process is simple enough. So although it's made out of metal and it does have just this thinner strip in the middle of it of plastic, it does still provide a bit of bend and flex. It does seem to be much better than the other one, but I do wonder whether it could do with a little bit more support underneath just to stiffen it up further. Now I noticed that when the blade came through, it was a little bit rough around the edge of the cut, so I decided just to sand it back with a little bit of 400 grit sandpaper that I had lying around. I don't know whether that was because of my blade or just the plastic that it's made of, but a quick sand down and it's a lot smoother. Now Evolution Tools sent me this insert plate for free, and in return I was able to secure a discount code for viewers of my channel to get you 5% off the throat plate or anything else on the Evolution Tools website. To get the discount, just use code LIONANDBEAR for 5% off. Not only does this help you if you're planning to buy something from Evolution anyway, but it also really helps my channel, so thanks in advance if you do use it. I'm going to be doing some other videos around upgrades to the Evolution Rage 5S over the coming weeks, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.